Hello, class 7th. Students, in our last turn, we have discussed till the page number 117. So, the topics which we have discussed are what is the state government, universal franchisee. We learned about the elections, types of elections, and what is the process of the election, and a little bit about the party system. So today we will study more about the party system. So let us start the topic what is written in the book from the page number 217. One party system. When the voters have only two choices to vote from, that is a political party or the nota option, then it is known as a single party system. क्या होता है वन पार्टी सिस्टम में कि जब वोटर के पास सिर्फ दो ऑप्शन होते हैं, दैट मीन्स आइदर टू वोट अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी और द नोटा ऑप्शन. नोटा का मतलब नन ऑफ द अबव, किसी को वोट या तो वोट करो या तो वोट ना करो. सो उसको कहते हैं सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम. What about in the two-party system? In a two-party system, the people have the choices to select from the two types of political system. Here they have the two choices. मतलब या तो इसको चूज़ कर लो या इसको चूज़ करो. In the multi-party system, the most common type of the party system. ये यहाँ पे most common type of party system है ये. तो इसमें क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा choices होते हैं. In the one party system, in such system there is no competition and the government is run by the single party in power. Obvious सी बात है कि जब एक ही वहाँ पर पार्टी है, सिंगल पार्टी है, so that means वहाँ पे कोई भी competition नहीं होगा. They often grasp total power over the country and hence increase the risk of denying the people their freedom. उनके पास पूरी पावर होती है कंट्री को कंट्रोल करने की, तो इसी वजह से जो रिस्क होता है, यानी कि मतलब उनके पास ये रिस्क कम होता है कि हाँ लोग उनको डिनाई करेंगे, बिकॉज ऑप्शन एक ही है कि आपको उन्हीं में से ही चूज़ करना है. Some countries in which one party system is followed are China, नॉर्थ कोरिया एंड दी क्यूबा. सो दीज आर द सम कंट्रीज़ जो यहाँ पे मेंशन है. इन कंट्रीज़ में वन पार्टी सिस्टम है. द अनदर टू पार्टी सिस्टम, द विनिंग पार्टी इज़ द वन विद द मेजॉरिटी वोट. देखो दो पार्टीज़ होती हैं यहाँ पर. वी हैव द टू चॉइसेस अमंग विच वी हैव टू चूज़ देम. अब उसमें जो विनिंग पार्टी होती है वो कौन जीतता है, जिसके पास मेजॉरिटी ऑफ वोट्स होती हैं, यानी कि ज़्यादा वोट्स जिसके पास होते हैं वो जीतता है. द पार्टी विद द मिनॉरिटी वोट, यानी कि जिसको वोट कम मिले हैं, कैन चूज टू आइदर मर्ज विद द अदर पार्टी टू फॉर्म द अपोजिशन और ड्रॉप आउट ऑफ द इलेक्शन. या तो वो इलेक्शन से हट जाए या तो वो किसी और पार्टी के साथ कंबाइन कर ले, मर्ज कर ले, मतलब ज्वाइन हो जाए, ताकि उनके जो वोट्स हैं वो बढ़ने के चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाए. Some countries where this type of system prevails are the Canada and the Great Britain. ये दो countries हैं जहाँ पर ये system होता है. The third one is a multi-party system. ये तो मोस्ट कॉमन है, हमारी इंडिया में भी मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम ही है. इन सच सिस्टम देयर आर अ नंबर ऑफ पार्टीज कंपीटिंग फॉर मेजॉरिटी पावर इन द कंस्टिट्यूएंसीज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. एंड दिस सिस्टम क्लास देयर इज़ अ नंबर ऑफ पार्टीज. यहाँ पे बहुत पार्टीज होती हैं, ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ पार्टीज होती है, टू नहीं होती, मोर देन टू होती है. There is sometimes a situation that no party gets a majority votes. In such cases, various parties join together to form a coalition government. कभी कभी क्या होता है, majority votes यानी कि ज़्यादा वोट जैसे कभी किसी को नहीं मिले, then उस टाइम पे क्या फॉर्म हो जाती है, coalition government. That means वो join करते हैं एक government को फॉर्म करने के लिए. And the last there is written some countries where this type of system prevails are इंडिया. हमारी इंडिया में मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम है. दैट मीन्स वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द मैनी टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. Let's move on to the next topic, that is the political party. So let us see what is written over here. A group of people appointed by the different constituencies in a government to participate in the election as their representatives is known as a political party. So what is a political party? So it is a group of the people who come together to contest the elections and hold power in the government, and they agree on some policies and the programs for the society with the view to promote the collective good. Okay, so there can be a different views on what is good for all. The people in a political parties always have a same mindset and follow similar ideas to run a government. They reflect these ideas in front of the citizens of the country, and then the people decide which ideas suit their preferences best. This is how the presence of a political party proves to be healthy for a country. So that means what they are saying that कि ये better होते हैं, so they can with different views on what is good for all. So the parties, they try to persuade people why their policies are better than the others, and they seek to implement these policies by winning the popular support through the election. That means they win there by the majority of the votes. So thus the political parties also reflect some fundamental political divisions in a society, and the parties about a part of the society, and thus they involve the उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं पार्टिसनशिप. ठीक है. अब जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होती है स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें ना 3 कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं. दैट मीन्स एक उसमें लीडर होते हैं, देन एक्टिव मेंबर्स एंड दी फॉलोअर. Now the next is the functions. So there are the number of the functions played by the political party. So let us see what does a political party do. So basically class, the political parties fill the political offices and exercise the political power. So parties do so by performing a series of the functions, and the first is they select representatives from various constituencies which stand up in election and make promises to make the country better with their ideas. So that means the parties contest elections, and most of the democracies elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by the political parties, and then parties select their candidates in the different ways. Like in India, top party leaders choose the candidates for contesting the elections. And the next, by having varied policies and programs, they provide different choices to the voters that they can select from. That means political put forward different policies and the programs, and the way voters जो होते हैं वो उसमें से choose करते हैं. And each of us may have the different policy options or the views on what the policies are suitable for the society, but no government can handle such a large variety of views. So in a democracy, that means in our country, the large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together and to provide a direction in which the policies can be formulated by the government. The next, they launch movements for solving the problems faced by the people in different ways. This is how a public opinion on a national matter is arisen and shaped. So ये क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे, ये बहुत ज़्यादा decisions लेते हैं. They shape the public opinion also. They raise and highlight the issues, and parties have the lack of members and the activists that are spread over all the country, and many of their groups are the extensions of the political parties among the different sections of the society. And parties sometimes also launch movement which आंदोलन भी करते हैं for the resolutions of the problem faced by the people. The next, they even offer some welfare schemes to the people that are directly affiliated by the government. क्या करते हैं, they provide people access to the government machinery and the welfare schemes that was implemented by the government. And for an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach a local party leader than a government officer. So that's why they feel close to the parties even when they do not fully trust them. And parties have to be responsive to the people's need and the demands. Otherwise, people can reject those parties in the next election. Is it clear now? So now see the next topic, that is the types of the political parties. So let us see कि कौन कौन से तरीके की political parties होती हैं. The next topic here written, in a democratic government like India, there are the political parties at the 2 level, national and state religion. The first one is the national party. A political party is said to be national if it is either able to win votes from 4 or more states in a country, or when 4 to 6% of the seats available in a constituency. Some of the most recognized national parties are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, and the Communist Party of India. And in the next, there is written regional parties, a political party that represent regional and the sub-regional communities are known as a regional party. They are usually segregated on the basis of language, culture, religion, or history of a region. These parties hold power only or the two states in a country. Some examples of a regional party is DMK and ADMK, Telugu Desam and the National Conference and the Assam Jan Parishad. So क्या होता है हमारा यहाँ पे नेशनल पार्टीज़, जो नेशनल पार्टीज़ होती हैं एंड इसमें क्या होता है कि देर आर सम कंट्रीज वाइट पार्टीज विच आर नोन एज द नेशनल पार्टीज एंड दीज पार्टीज हैव देयर यूनिट्स इन द वेरियस स्टेट्स, बट बाय एंड द लार्ज ऑल दीज यूनिट्स फॉलो द सेम पॉलिसीज, प्रोग्राम्स and the strategy that is decided at the national level. So that means the national level पर होता है इसका जो होता है, जो पार्टी होती है इसको इलेक्शन कमीशन के साथ अपना रजिस्टर करवाना पड़ता है अपना नेम, देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स ही वहाँ पर अपना काम कर पाती है. ठीक है, यानी कि नेशनल लेवल पे जो हो गया. और दूसरा होता है हमारा रीजनल. तो ये हमारा जो रीजनल हो गया ये होता है स्टेट वाइज, उसको कहते हैं हम लोग रीजनल पार्टी, जो एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन को, पर्टिकुलर स्टेट को वहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं रीजनल पार्टी. क्लियर? सो क्लास, टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर दिस चैप्टर, that is a working of a government. So in our next class we will study, we will move on to the writing portion of this chapter, that is the define, short question answers, long question answers. So today we have done the explanation part of this chapter. Now class, this is your homework to just read up or just go through the chapter what is written over here, and if you have any doubt regarding the chapter, any topic which you don't understand, so you can ask me through the live session or through the doubt session of your school app. Okay, so please just read the chapter thoroughly. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you class.